Good morning. That first meal of your day might be quietly working against you, especially where it matters most. Millions of seniors start their mornings with cereal, toast, or something quick, believing they're helping their bodies, when in reality, the wrong breakfast can slowly damage the blood vessels and muscle strength that support energy, mobility, and intimate performance. Many men blame age for sluggish energy, weaker erections, or that troubling numbness down there. But age isn't the villain. The real culprit may be sitting on your breakfast plate. I'm Dr. Katherine Rocker, a men's health specialist with over 20 years of experience helping seniors rebuild strength, circulation, and confidence. I've seen thousands of men restore vitality by changing just one thing: their morning routine. Your body wants to support healthy blood flow and strong pelvic function, but it needs the right fuel. Fuel you won't find in a pill bottle. Today, I'll show you 5 simple breakfast foods that naturally boost circulation, support nitric oxide, strengthen pelvic muscles, and elevate confidence. One of these even helps men notice changes in under a week. Let's start with a green powerhouse. Spinach. Spinach is a nitrate powerhouse. Men over 60 often develop a shortage of dietary nitrates, which help your body produce nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for widening blood vessels and improving blood flow to your legs and pelvic region. When nitric oxide drops, circulation weakens, leading to heavy legs, fatigue, and reduced intimate performance. One serving of spinach contains around 845 mg of nitrates, more than almost any vegetable. Clinical research shows spinach can improve flow, mediated dilation, and even lower blood pressure within hours. When eaten in the morning, nitric oxide peaks 2 to 3 hours later, giving you strong daytime circulation. One of my patients, Harold, 67, blended 2 cups of spinach into his morning smoothie. In just 3 weeks, he felt lighter, more energized, and more stable during physical activity. Spinach is affordable, safe, and proven to support blood flow where men need it most. Now let's move to a delicious and creamy combo that supports gut health, inflammation control, and vascular flexibility. Greek yogurt. Berries. Most people don't realize that poor gut health kills circulation. When the gut becomes inflamed, it damages the inner lining of blood vessels. This reduces nitric oxide and weakens pelvic circulation. Greek yogurt delivers live probiotics that calm gut inflammation, help process nitrates more effectively, and improve natural nitric oxide production. On top of that, berries provide anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that improve blood vessel flexibility and protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. Studies show men who regularly eat yogurt have up to a 21% lower risk of cardiovascular issues, while berry intake is linked to an 8% reduction in high blood pressure. Martin, 64, replaced his toast with Greek yogurt and blueberries. In 2 weeks, his afternoon heaviness disappeared, his legs felt lighter, and his energy improved dramatically. Every spoonful works behind the scenes to keep your blood vessels open and active, especially in the pelvic region. Now let's talk about a food many men underestimate. Avocado. Avocado has been called nature's circulation catalyst. Rich in monounsaturated fats and potassium, it directly improves artery flexibility and nitric oxide availability. A major study found that men who eat avocado twice a week reduce heart disease risk by 16%. But the real magic is how its healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D that support vascular strength. When eaten in the morning, avocado primes your blood vessels for steady, all-day circulation. Frank, 59, added half an avocado to his breakfast. Within 2 weeks, his legs felt lighter, his energy lasted longer, and even his mood improved. Avocado isn't just guacamole. It's a natural performance booster. Now for something surprising, a dark indulgence that works like medicine. Dark chocolate. 70%. Yes, dark chocolate can improve circulation. When it's high cacao and low sugar, dark chocolate contains flavonols that help blood vessels stay open, flexible, and responsive. Eating a square or 2 in the morning helps rebuild nitric oxide levels after sleep, when your antioxidant reserves are lowest. William, 63, added 2 squares of dark chocolate to his morning coffee. Within a week, he felt less stiffness, sharper energy, and improved circulation, especially down there. Dark chocolate isn't a guilty pleasure, but a strategic tool for better blood flow. Now it's time for the ruby red king of circulation, pomegranate. Pomegranate contains some of the most potent polyphenols in nature, including allagitannins and anthocyanins, which directly support nitric oxide production and protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress. Research shows pomegranate can improve blood flow within just 30 minutes to a few hours. Edward, 68, began drinking 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice each morning. Within weeks, he felt warm again, more energetic, and his doctor confirmed improved circulation. Pomegranate is the finishing touch, the nutrient that protects everything the other foods help build. And here's where the real magic happens. The synergy. When you combine these 5 foods, the effects multiply. Probiotics from yogurt improve your absorption of spinach's nitrates. Vitamin C from berries boosts the power of dark chocolate's flavonols. Healthy fats from avocado help your body absorb pomegranate's polyphenols. Pomegranate protects nitric oxide, keeping blood vessels wide and flexible. This morning routine becomes a self-reinforcing circulation system, helping you feel stronger, warmer, more energized, and more confident. James, 71, combined all 5 foods. After 10 days, he said he felt 10 years younger. Knowledge is power only when used. Start with one of these foods tomorrow morning. Build the habit slowly. Within days, you'll feel changes. Within weeks, you'll feel stronger, lighter, and more alive. You're not too old to turn things around. Your body responds when you give it the right tools. One meal, one choice, one morning at a time. The power is in your hands.